Hey, what's up guys? This is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and we are back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be going through the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. You can see it comes in a gray exterior. Get a nice light gray and darker gray, kind of two-tone look inside. We'll show you in just a sec. But yeah, in today's video we're just going to kind of go over some of the interior and exterior features, just kind of a brief highlight. And then, of course, if you're interested in learning more, we would love to chat with you. You can reach us on our website, give us a call, stop on by. We'd love to work with you and even set up a test drive if you're interested in this vehicle. So do a blind spot assist there. And here is our interior. Again, that nice light gray, dark gray interior. We do have the premium Burmester upgraded speaker package here. We've got our heated memory power seats throughout the vehicle. And you can see a little bit of the ambient lighting. It's kind of a little too bright in this particular room to see it right now, but I'll show you more here in just a sec. Driver's seat, sunroof, stretches from the front to the rear. We've got our steering wheel here. I'll show you a little bit more about that in just one sec. And let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, so mileage currently at 7,903. We do have a push button ignition. And let's talk steering wheel. So we've got our new 2023 Mercedes-Benz steering wheel, all touch controls, which is super, super cool. We'll start with our left side here. So on the bottom, we've got our cruise control options here. And then right above that, we have what we use to control our driver interface. This is all fully customizable. So you've got a home button, which I just press to access the different options. And you get this little touchpad here. You can then use to select different things. Say if we want to configure our heads-up display off or on, just quickly press that in and that'll pop that on or off for you. I personally love the heads-up display. It's really, really tough to see here on camera, but you can kind of see that 0 off in the distance. That'll actually show your miles per hour as you're driving, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road, which is super, super cool. And of course, all kinds of other things, you know, generally, I personally kind of like the minimal look, but hey, to each their own. So anywho, we also have paddle shifters here on the back. We have our Mercedes-Benz shifter right there. So the way that works, you just flip up for reverse, which also activates your backup camera. Talk a little bit more of that in just a sec. Flip down for drive, and then push in for park. Right below that on the right side, we've got very similar controls. These ones here actually control your driver display. So again, you can press home to access your home screen, and then use the touchpad and then press in to actually make your selections. So we can take a look at our comfort settings here. Again, it's also a touchscreen, so you can use the touchscreen itself. So if you want to make some climate adjustments here, if you want to access your ambient lighting, that's all fully customizable within our menu system here. There we go. Get that right angle for you there, and you can kind of see as we switch between some different colors. So that's just some of the monochrome options. We also have the multicolor, which will really do some cool things, you know, in the vents, right around like your door handles, kind of all over the vehicle, really. Pretty fun. Okay, so we've got our navigation here. Of course, we also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible. Take a look at our backup camera here one more time. That activates automatically when you flip it into reverse. You can also quickly access through the button right there, which also has the parking assist, which we'd love to show you how that works in person as well. So you have our rear, and then here's the side view, which you can actually use to swipe around. You can see somebody here from parts walking through the show floor. It's like super high resolution. It's kind of amazing like how much you can actually see just by using the parking camera system. You can see cars pulling in and out of our service drive. It's pretty wild. Super, super, super high definition. So anywho, go ahead and put it back into park. What else should we show you? So we got our radio here, so just kind of a quick display there, but there's also full display there going through the menu system. Our full climate menu there. We also have our dynamic select buttons here. So pressing that, that'll switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. All right, below our display, we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connections, cup holders, a little bit of storage, and then our center console storage with some additional USB connections as well. All right, let's go ahead and hop out. Show you the rear seats next. Another quick peek up at that sunroof, again, front and rear. And we'll do one more quick peek back up front. Love that wood grain accent trim on the dash there too, definitely super sharp. And then coming around to the rear, we've got our badging, GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC. Power opening and closing trunk. Just push that button to open. You got all your trunk space here. And if you need a little extra storage, you can actually have some buttons right here. Just push that button there and easily flip down those rear seats. Now you have even more storage. And push button to close. So that is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.